Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to edit a doctor. Editing the practitioner's details allows the user to update and change the practitioner's current personal details. The ability to edit the practitioner's information is a useful tool for keeping important information up to date. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the configuration segment. The cash register management screen will open. Proceed and click on the doctor tab on the navigation bar. The doctors list screen will open with a list of practitioners that are set up at the practice. For an extensive explanation regarding the doctors list screen, please refer to the list of doctors user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the filters doctor field and type the name of the practitioner whose details the user wishes to make changes to. Select the desired practitioner from the list. The Add Update Doctor screen will then open. For more information regarding the Filter Doctors function, please refer to the Filter Doctor user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that the warning will appear to advise that changing the details of practitioner will update the information of all the doctor types the practitioner is linked to. For an extensive explanation for each field on the Add Update Doctor screen, please refer to the Add a Treating Doctor user manual linked in this video's description. The user may make the necessary changes to the selected practitioner's existing information as needed. Please note that if a practitioner was imported from Medibase, all the information pertaining that practitioner will be up to date due to Medibase being a live site. Click on the Cancel button to exit the Add Update Doctor screen without saving the changes that have been made and return to the Doctor List screen. Click on the Save button to save all the changes that have been made and return to the Doctor's List screen. The amended practitioner's information will display on the Doctor's List. Click on the Close button on the Doctor's List screen to return to the Cash Management Register screen.